Hello, David again at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2023 Harris 210 Cruiser. This is the white diamond fence color with a black accent, black powder coat fencing. We have dock lights, saltwater edition. Saltwater edition is a solid keel underneath both outer pontoons and anodes on the aft of the boat. Allows it to sit in the salt water and not corrode. We have an extended swim platform, power with a Mercury 150. This boat is also Performance Level 2. Performance Level 2 is a full-length center pontoon with lifting strakes and a 37-gallon gas tank. As I move around to the starboard side, we have a nice wide boarding ladder, 4-tier stainless steel with a wide entrance and nice handles. We'll show you some more features once we get up on deck. Okay, we moved up on deck. As you can see, we have a French gray interior. This is the single lounger floor plan. So we have a nice lounge area on the back. There's storage underneath each of the back seats. Lots of storage. There's a cooler underneath the starboard rear seat. Stereo controls, a charge port. Single lounger means this backrest will actually go in 3 positions. Right here we have it so you can face forward. It goes to a 45, so you can lounge aft. It will also go all the way flat for a giant sun pad. Over here on the port side, we have battery switches. This boat is equipped with a dual battery setup. We have cup holders, charge ports throughout. Of course, every seat is hinged with a form plastic underneath. As in my other videos, every Harris boat has a trash can built in on the port side couch. Moving forward, we have our change house stored underneath. Wraparound seating in the bow. Good quality door so you can feel when it's latched. You can only lean against it, only opens on the inside. Underneath my feet we have in-floor storage. You can only get this with Performance Level 2. This is super deep, goes back several feet. Skis, wakeboards, whatever you wanted to put down in there. More storage underneath the helm. Up here on the helm, we have a wireless phone charger. The JL audio upgrade. This is 6 speakers, 4 interior, 2 facing aft. You can control the zones. Tilt steering. A Simrad. The Simrad will give you chart plotting, GPS location, fish finding, and engine data. You could also add stuff to it, such as side view, sonar, radar, anything like you want. Instrumentation. You see we have a power top. This boat has a power Bimini top. With a simple button you can open and close the Bimini top, lay it back and forward. RGB lighting on the interior, docking lights, and of course our tether. High back chair with an adjustable seat base. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'll show you the rest. Thank you.